Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Abdullah and you are watching Explorers 2.0. If your computer normally work well but it got slower, so no problem. It might be due to two reasons. The first one might be the background apps or softwares that unwantedly run for the computer, okay? And the second one is the temporary files or cache files in your PC, okay? So in this video, majorly I will be telling you about the cache files or temporary files in your PC C folder. So how to delete that files to make your computer re-perform well. Okay, so let's get to the method. Here it is, my start menu. Okay, here it is. So I type here run. Okay, here it is, run application, or another method is Windows plus R. Okay, so I will be putting here command prefetch, prefetch, and I will be okay. So it requires access. Okay, so the top one you can see here, it is the ready boot. We will be not disturbing this. Okay, select all, but we will deselect this and we will be deleting these all files. For some files it will require some permission. Look, so we will not disturb these files. Okay, this might be some important file or the file that might be running currently in background. Okay, so we will skip this. Okay, these two files are, again we perform the same, Windows plus R, and this time we enter temp and we enter. Okay, so again that method we will be selecting this all and we will be deleting. It requires administrative permission. Yes, here it is. And again Windows plus R, and this time %temp %. Okay, this file is most probably the web browser cache data or some browser data it contains. Select all and delete it. This folder mostly take time. At last it will again ask for the files. So we will skip that files. Don't ever delete it. It might hurt your PC. Okay. So it got deleted. Congratulations. And your PC is now in the condition to run fast. Okay. Friends, this method will surely make your computer run fast, or it will be a prominent difference. Okay, so if it worked, do like, share and subscribe this video and channel. Stay connected for another video. Thank you.